Here at Blue Ribbon, we have multiple departments that offer you the ability to learn a trade where you can make money and get benefits directly out of high school, even without training. Some of the many things we do here at Blue Ribbon Auto, we've got a full upholstery department. We've got a full accessory department that does lift kits, wheels, tires, mud flaps, heated seats. We've got a car audio department that does remote starts and all aspects of 12-volt mobile electronics. We shoot spray and bed liners. We've got a full collision repair center. So looking at the field of collision repair, there's a lot of avenues. There's a lot of people that work as cogs in the gears to make this place run. There's body technicians that actually perform the repairs on the vehicles. There's painters that paint the vehicles that need or are under repair. Most of our body techs and painters have been here for years. It's not uncommon to have people work at Blue Ribbon for 15, 20 years. There's a parts manager who has to handle hundreds of parts a day for all the vehicles that are under repair process. There's front of house people like myself that write the estimates, deal with the insurance companies, help make sense of what's going on and how this process works to people who generally don't deal with this on a very regular basis. On top of that, we have detailers that wash the cars and clean up the vehicles once repairs are finished. There's a lot of avenues, a lot of places to get your foot in the door and work in this field. You don't necessarily have to be hands on the car to be working in the body repair field. So for myself, when I came out of high school, I worked in mobile electronics almost immediately out of high school. Worked in that field for over 10 years, got a job here at Blue Ribbon, worked 6 years in our audio department. Had the opportunity to move into the body shop about 8 years ago, and I came over, started writing estimates. Since I moved into the body shop, I had no experience in collision repair prior to moving up here. Blue Ribbon has put me through several iCar courses that have allowed me to become iCar Gold certified. Gives you an idea of how to see what's going on with a vehicle even if you haven't torn it completely apart. This gives me a great understanding of energy management, how vehicles handle the energy that is exerted on them during a collision. Understanding why airbags do and don't deploy during certain situations. There's a whole lot that goes into a more modern vehicle than there is something that's 10 or 15 years old. Nationwide, there is a technician shortage in the body repair industry, and that's both body side and paint side. Men and women work in this field. We have both men and women working in body and paint here at Blue Ribbon. Working into a trade and doing an apprenticeship can give you the opportunity to come right out of school and start making a living now. You're getting paid to learn how to do something that as you get better at it, you will make more money and you can turn it into a career that can last your lifetime. Guys make good money. You can come out and make enough money to support a family. You can buy a vehicle. You can pay for the groceries. You know, life's getting more expensive. This gives you an opportunity to have a turnkey job making money while you learn and get better and progressively work into becoming, hopefully, a lifelong technician at Blue Ribbon Auto Body.